How to hide country or location on YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set privacy on your YouTube channel. First of all, open up YouTube in the web browser. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner. From here, click on YouTube Studio. Once you open the YouTube Studio, click on Settings from the left side dashboard. Now from Settings, tap on Channel. Here, you can see the basic info of your channel. You can change or hide the country of residence from here. Click on Country of Residence and don't select any country. After that, click to save. So the changes you made got saved here. This is how you can hide a country or location on a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.